What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ken and Corey, and I'm at Adore. It's like a little restaurant here in Houston, and I haven't really done like a live video. I've been seeing that y'all like these GoPro style type videos where I just keep the camera rolling. So just want to give you guys more of like a live feedback of what it's like to be here at Adore. So we here. we here. We under a tent. That's the entrance over there. Plenty of seating everywhere. This is how you order your food through these menus right here. We gotta go inside the order?
Yeah, you gotta go inside to show inside.
Gotcha.
Because we got her on the patio.
Well, I might do that in a minute. The voice y'all hearing is the famous Kim, but she don't want to be on camera today.
Because she's at work.
Because she's at work. She's not really here. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we can dig into. I think I might get a hookah and some lamb chops. I don't know. I gotta see what they got in their little brunch menu. It's brunch, right? Okay, guys. So during lunchtime, they do have different specials. I end up getting the fish basket special, and I also got a $5 like Henny and Coke, water, and the hookahs are only $15 as well. So if you're in the hookah, you definitely want to come here during the lunchtime so you can get you a cheap hookah, and the hookahs usually hit pretty well. So I look forward to being able to puff past. You feel me? We in this house. Nice to meet you.
Like I never.
All right, leaving the door.
You never even went inside.
I know. I feel like I didn't show it, but no one wants to go inside. They just want to check out the patio life. My pants is about to fall down. All right, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't follow Cam. And yeah, I'll let y'all later.